Let's go from this to this. I am 45 and strategic placement can truly change how the face appears. First, a small piece of tape under the outer corner, guiding everything upward. I'm applying Urban Decay primer potion in Eden. It smooths the lid, prevents creasing and makes shadow more vibrant. Next, Essence Soft Touch Matte White Eyeshadow to set the primer and create a clean canvas. With hooded eyes, we place shadow higher. I'm blending a soft transition shade into a lifted faux crease and outer V. Now a deeper tone packed gently into the outer corner for definition and depth. With a dumb finger, I tap shimmer onto the inner corner and center of the lid to open the eye. For maximum lift, I keep the liner thin with a soft upward wing. Brows are essential for structure. I'm using Revolution Brow Pomade, lifting the top line slightly and filling sparse areas. And I set them in place with Catrice Brow Laminating Wax. Aging can pull lashes downwards, so I curl first, then apply Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara for volume and length. Removing the tape, and instantly the eye looks sharper, cleaner and lifted. For the face I'm using Revolution Fix and Glow Primer, silky, smoothing and perfect for mature skin. I apply a thin layer of Catrice Invisible Cover Foundation with a damp sponge, pressing gently for a natural finish. Concealer is where the lift happens. I place it center forehead, nose, inner and outer corners and slightly above the marionette area. Then blend with soft taps. To set without heaviness, I use Guerlain Meteorites. It smooths the under eye and adds a beautiful healthy glow. For bronzer, I avoid low contour. I place warmth high on the cheekbone, around the forehead, nose and jaw, always blending upward. Blush goes high as well, sweeping toward the brow with a touch across the nose and chin for freshness. I highlight the brow bone, inner corner, bridge of the nose, highest cheek point and cupid bow for a lifted glow. For lips, I softly overline with Maybelline liner in palest pink. Then apply vinyl ink in Koi, the perfect lifted pink. And a final dewy setting spray to melt everything together. Here is the before and after, a full lifted makeup effect created with placement alone. If you enjoyed this over 40 facelift tutorial, subscribe for more, and I'll see you soon. Bye!